Hello. I have a combined Goodwill haul from yesterday and today. We got this one was one today. We got this IKEA light. It was $7.99. It's from the Ola Wilborg line. They had some really neat stuff. You can either hang it on the wall there or put it on the floor. I've seen these lit up. They're really neat. So that was cool.
How much was it?
$7.99. And let's see, we got a couple of videos. Cane Mutiny, which is awesome. Is this the one?
The incident with the strawberries.
Yeah, that's one with the strawberries. What's that one with Jimmy Cagney?
Oh, Mr. Roberts, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a good one too.
Yeah, that's a good one too.
And then this one is good. Petrified Forest with Betty and Ashley.
Ashley.
Precious little Ashley and Humphrey Bogart. This
course.
has Pard in it, I think.
Okay.
That little, I think it's like an Airedale Terrier, super cute. And his name's Pard. Or running around the forest going, Pard! Pard leads the police. I don't want to spoil it for anybody, but he leads the police to these crooks.
Yeah.
Good Pard. And then I got two of these. I want on rim. These fit in my glow hill. I wish there would have been three, but I get, you get what you can get at the junk store. They also stack, but these will fit in my glow hill where I'm missing the glass inserts. So you just have to know what you're looking for. And then I went to the one at South Lake Union yesterday. They have better merch there. I got this. It's a Chico's. We have a couple Chico's here in town. Chico's necklace. I think it was 30% off. So I think it came out to like $5, but it's very pretty. And then I found this. I've already got it loaded. This is a Madewell bag. I think this is the Sloan it's called, but look at how it's all lined. And then, oops, sorry. And then there's the tag in there. But it's really, really thick leather. I love these bags. This is my second one I've found. I really love this. And it has the shoulder bag strap too. Gosh, so that was $25, but well worth it for the big leather bag. Okay, and this is the other one we went to today. Mr. Retro's got himself 100 tea lights. Do you think that'll hold you for a couple days?
Yeah, should do it.
For $5. So, yeah. Yeah. Where are these from? I can't tell. Everyday Living. Probably Walmart. I don't know. Or maybe Target. I'm not sure. I got Laura Geller thing. I spray these and clean them. It's a Laura Geller palette for $2. And, oh, Mr. Retro's got this beauty. It just spoke to him. It said, Mr. Retros, take me home. $3.99. I can be
I
with...
generally don't like those trolls, but he's a good one.
Yeah,
big,
he is.
You know.
Yeah, he's nice and big.
Find a code or something for him. Well, you won't be able to get it on.
Look at those big... He'll have to have one of those felt outfits.
Yeah.
You know, like this...
Cave.
Like his kind wear.
Cave stuff.
Yeah, snow cave outfit. Maybe like, oh, a one-shoulder white fur number.
Abominable.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll get you fixed up there. Don't worry. I gotcha. There you go. That was a cute movie, by the way. Oh, and Mr. Retros has been dreaming of this. This looks too wide for your stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know. You can mix and match, and I'm just so sorry I threw away all my other ones.
He wants to redo some of these chairs. I don't know. I guess it'll work.
You can use it as accent ones. I don't know.
I don't know either.
It was a sheet, so...
Yeah. Yep. And another palette I got here for 99 cents. That's kind of good. They had a whole bunch of cosmetics, new cosmetics there. But nothing I needed. And this was only 99 cents. This is a really nice green. I thought it would be good for my purses. It's like a burlap, but it's a cool green color. Kind of a spring green. Let's see what else did we get. got 2 towels. They're brand new. They were $5 each. They're this Utopia. And they're all cotton, and they're a nice charcoal gray. I have some coral towels at the beach that I think will look nice with these. I got 2 of these. And this is the only other thing this is like dry L. It's just, you know, I'm gonna dry clean my coat before I put it in storage. If it ever warms up and I stop wearing it, that remains to be seen. But it's got the little deals in here. You throw them in there and you put them in the dryer. It was $1.99. So I think that is it. Yep, that's it. So I'll see you later. Bye bye, everybody. Happy trolling.